I'm back. Okay, so today I'm going to review about Miniso products. I bought two products yesterday. So I got the humidifier. It's this one over here. This one. Okay, so Miniso humidifier, and I also bought a selfie stick from Miniso as well. I need this one, taking photos, selfies, goofies. Okay, so selfie stick. We all need this one, right? Okay, so let's. I'm going to have a review first on the humidifier, the one over here. I opened it yesterday because I was really excited, and it's this one. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. It's blue and it's made of plastic, and this one you can remove it, and then you just have to pour water and essential oil inside. So the essential oil that I bought is from Claire's. It's Eden Spa. This is eucalyptus. It's really good. I mean, it smells really good. It's really nice. It's relaxing. Okay, so what I did is that okay, I opened this one, and you have a stick. It's like a sponge. You just have to, before you use it, you just have to soak it with water, and then you put it back and cover it like that. And I put some water in, and I think I used 5 drops of the eucalyptus. And it also comes with a charger. It's not actually a charger, but this one, it comes with this one, and this one's mine. It doesn't have any adapter, so I used the adapter of my cell phone. So do this one and then plug it in. I'm gonna show you guys. Like that, and there's a turn on button over here.
So before that, I just want to read the instruction. So it also comes with another sponge stick. I don't know what they call this one, but this one here. You can use this one if you can use. Okay, so it says here operation instruction. Pour appropriate amount of water into water tank and then place the humidifier inside. So this is the water tank, and this one is the humidifier. And plug one end of the USB cable into micro socket on the humidifier and the other end into laptop, computer, car, charger, or power bank. The power supply voltage. Okay, so it's actually very easy to use. All you have to do is pour in some water and essential oil and the humidifier in and the USB, and then just plug it in. Okay, so I'm going to show you.
Okay, so it's plugged in. Now let's turn it on. So just click this one here, the button, and then there we go. So it has red color, and there's also blue. Yeah, it's actually good. It's nice. And I just bought this one for, I think this is just $14.99. $14.99. So it's nice. It's nice for if you just want to try, because for some other humidifiers it's expensive. It's my first time to try a humidifier, so I don't know. Let's see. So this one is from Miniso. It's cute. The color is nice. Okay. And if you have any questions about this one, or any suggestions on how to use it better, please comment down below. Thank you so much. Okay, now next thing is the next one that I bought from Miniso is, of course, a selfie stick.
So a lot of people have been using a selfie stick. So in the Philippines, there's a tons of people. Almost everybody uses a selfie stick. So I bought one before when I was in the Philippines, and I don't know. I think I lost it, or maybe it broke. I don't know what happened to it. So now I bought another one. I bought this color because it really it's nice. The color is cooling. It's very nice. So here we go. Okay, so this is what you use to plug it in your phones, smartphones. So my phone has a different one, so I need another one, like a cable for me to use it on my phone. Okay, so this is like 3.55. So I'm just gonna grab
Back. So this one here, I can't remember where I got this one. Maybe when I bought my phone, and I don't know, I really can't remember. So good thing it's my first time to use this one as well, because of course my headphone is different. So the end of my headphone is like this one. Unlike for Samsung, I think they still use the it's like this. So all you have to do is plug it in like this, connect it, and where's my phone?
And this one you can flip it, and I'll just have to move the casing of my phone. Easier for me. This one's really big. I think it won't hold my phone. Okay, so there we go. Turn on the camera. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I guess it's holding my phone well enough. I'm not sure. I hope so. So now let's try.
Did it connect? Yep. Took some of the selfies. It's really nice. It's very handy because it's really small. You can just put it inside your bag. And the color, I really like the color. Okay, so I guess I'm ready for my selfies and groovies with my friends and my cousins. Okay, so that's the selfie stick. I'm not sure for this one. I don't know if you can
Buy this one in Amazon or any stores. I guess I don't know if they have it on the stores or Amazon maybe. If they have this one, the stores or any stores that sells laptops, phones, gadgets, and everything. Maybe they have this one. So you can use this one for you to be able to use this kind of selfie stick. It's really small. I like it. It's really small.
The first selfie stick that I got, it's not this small. I think it's like this one. It's bigger. Okay, so there we go. So these are the ones that I bought from Miniso, and I really like them. I really like the color. There we go. Okay, so anyway, if you have any suggestions, comments, please leave your comments below, and I'll try to answer them. Or if you want me to review some of the products in Miniso, I'll try my best. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. So sign out. Bye.